Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best Mega Pint Cup is probably one of the most talked about beverage containers to hit the market in recent years, and for good reason. It's designed to hold an absolutely massive amount of your favorite drink, making it perfect for parties, tailgating, or just those days when you really need to quench your thirst without constantly refilling. Imagine never having to get up for another drink during your favorite movie or game again. That's the promise of this colossal cup, offering unparalleled convenience and a touch of novelty to your hydration routine. Number 5. Real Deal Steel 16-ounce Party Pints. Introducing our 16-ounce pint cups, crafted from premium, food-grade 304 stainless steel. They are lead-free, BPA-free, and built for lasting quality and fun. Tired of boring cups? Ours come in a variety of fun colors, making it easy to identify your drink at any gathering. Say goodbye to mix-ups. Designed for practicality, these tumblers are stackable and easy to pack. They are the perfect, non-insulated choice for camping, boating, or poolside relaxation. Elevate your entertaining with these eye-catching steel pint cups. They're a guaranteed conversation starter, ensuring your guests have a fantastic time. Make the switch from disposable plastic. Our mission is to promote healthy, sustainable drinking with stylish stainless steel options for everyone. What we like. These are made from premium, food-grade steel, ensuring a high-quality and safe drinking experience. They come in assorted colors, making it easy to distinguish your cup at any gathering. If you're looking for a fun, eco-friendly, and practical option for parties, camping, or boating, these are a fantastic choice. What people say. The Mega Pint Cup is a great addition to any party or gathering. It's large enough to hold a generous amount of your favorite beverage, and the sturdy design ensures it won't tip over easily. I love how the Mega Pint Cup keeps my drinks cold for hours. The double-walled insulation is a game-changer, especially on hot summer days. Plus, the wide opening makes it easy to fill and clean. Number 4. Karat 32-ounce PP Plastic Cold Disposable Cups. Showcase your iced teas, coffees, sodas, and desserts with these crystal-clear cups. Their transparency makes every beverage look appealing. Crafted from robust polypro material, these cups are built to last. They can handle various beverages without easily cracking or leaking. Enjoy your drinks with peace of mind. These cups are BPA-free, ensuring a safe drinking experience for everyone. Despite their sturdiness, they are surprisingly lightweight. This makes them perfect for busy cafes, food trucks, and concession stands. Keep your business or event well stocked with this generous supply. You'll always be ready to serve your customers efficiently and stylishly. These cups are not only durable and safe but also 100% recyclable. Make a responsible choice for your beverage service. What we like. These cups are made from durable, BPA-free polypro material, offering a sturdy yet lightweight solution for cold beverages. Their transparency is perfect for showcasing your drinks. If you need a reliable and convenient disposable cup for fast-paced environments like cafes, food trucks, or events, these are an excellent bulk supply option. What people say. The Mega Pint Cup is a fantastic addition to any gathering, holding a generous amount of your favorite beverage. Its sturdy construction ensures durability, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. The wide opening makes it easy to fill and clean, and the comfortable grip allows for effortless handling. Number 3. YETI Rambler 20-ounce Tumbler. Crafted from robust stainless steel, this tumbler is built to last. Its double-wall vacuum insulation ensures your drinks stay at the perfect temperature, no matter the conditions. Featuring the innovative mag slider lid, it uses magnets for a secure closure. Keep your favorite beverages contained and protected with this unique design. Enjoy a sweat-free experience thanks to its no-sweat design, keeping your hands dry. Plus, the durable coating resists cracking, peeling, and fading for lasting style. This tumbler is BPA-free and dishwasher-safe for easy cleaning. It's designed for your convenience and peace of mind. With its ideal dimensions, it fits perfectly in standard cup holders. Take your drinks on the go with ease and confidence. Whether it's a piping hot coffee or an ice-cold refreshment, it maintains your desired temperature for hours. Enjoy your drink just the way you like it. What we like. This tumbler features double-wall vacuum insulation to keep your drinks at the perfect temperature, along with a unique mag slider lid for secure containment. It's also BPA-free and dishwasher-safe for easy cleaning. If you prioritize keeping your beverages hot or cold for extended periods and appreciate innovative lid technology, this is the tumbler for you. What people say. The Mega Pint Cup is a fantastic choice for anyone who enjoys a large beverage. Its generous capacity means fewer refills, allowing you to savor your drink without interruption. Designed with convenience in mind, the Mega Pint Cup features a sturdy handle that provides a comfortable and secure grip, even when the cup is full. This makes it easy to carry around, whether you're at home, at a party, or enjoying an outdoor event. Number 2. Host Freeze Beer Glasses, Set of 2. Tired of your favorite brews getting warm too quickly? These glasses are designed to keep your beer perfectly chilled, just like it would be in a frosty mug. Inside the double-walled construction is a special cooling gel. Simply freeze them for 2 hours, and they'll keep your drinks at the ideal cold temperature. Made from durable, BPA-free plastic, these glasses are built to last. The comfortable silicone band ensures an easy grip, making them perfect for any occasion. Enjoying a cold one on a hot summer day? These glasses are ideal for barbecues, tailgates, and any outdoor event where you want to keep your beer ice cold. Looking for a unique gift for the craft beer lover in your life? This insulated freezer glass is a fantastic present for holidays, Father's Day, or any occasion. Whether you're at home or on the go, these glasses ensure your cold drinks stay that way. They are a must-have for anyone who appreciates a perfectly chilled beverage. What we like. These glasses are designed with a proprietary cooling gel that keeps your brews ice cold, and feature an insulated silicone band for comfortable handling. They are perfect for enjoying cold beer on hot summer days. If you're a craft beer lover who wants to ensure your drink stays frosty from the first sip to the last, especially outdoors, these are an innovative gift. What people say. The Mega Pint Cup is a fantastic choice for anyone who enjoys a generous serving of their favorite beverage. Its large capacity means fewer refills, allowing you to savor your drink without interruption. The sturdy construction ensures durability, making it a reliable companion for parties, gatherings, or even just a relaxing evening at home. The ergonomic design fits comfortably in your hand, providing a secure grip even when the cup is full. Plus, its sleek appearance adds a touch of style to any occasion. Cleaning is a breeze, as it's designed for easy washing, either by hand or in the dishwasher. This cup truly elevates the drinking experience, offering both practicality and aesthetic appeal. I was impressed by the sheer size of the Mega Pint Cup. It holds a substantial amount of liquid, which is perfect for long movie nights or outdoor events where you don't want to constantly get up for refills. The material feels robust and well made, giving me confidence that it will last for a long time. I also appreciate the thoughtful design elements, such as the stable base that prevents accidental tipping and the comfortable rim that makes sipping enjoyable. It's a conversation starter and a functional piece of drinkware all in one. The Mega Pint Cup exceeded my expectations in terms of capacity and build quality. It's incredibly spacious, easily accommodating a full pint and then some. The cup feels solid and well balanced, not flimsy at all. I've used it for various drinks, from iced coffee to cocktails, and it performs exceptionally well. The wide opening makes it easy to add ice and garnishes, and it's surprisingly easy to clean despite its size. A great addition to my kitchenware collection. Number 1. Ninja Blender 16-ounce single-serve cups, 2-pack. Introducing a 2-pack of 16-ounce single-serve cups with lids, designed to enhance your blending capabilities. These are perfect for quick, individual servings. These cups are engineered to fit a wide range of Ninja blenders. They are compatible with mega kitchen systems like the BL770 series and the Ultima Blender series, including BL810, BL820, and BL830. They also work seamlessly with the Ninja Fit Blender QB3000 series and the Nutri Ninja 2-in-1 series. Enjoy versatility with your existing blender. Designed for the Ninja Professional Blender BL660 series and the Ninja Supra Kitchen System BL780 series. Get the most out of your powerful kitchen appliances. Please ensure your blender model is listed for compatibility. These cups are specifically for models that originally came with or support single-serve cups, and will not fit smaller models like the Pulse series. If you're unsure about compatibility, please verify before ordering. We want to ensure you get the right accessory for your needs. What we like. This is a 2-pack of replacement single-serve cups with lids, designed to fit a variety of Ninja Mega kitchen systems and Ultima blenders. They offer a clear design for easy viewing of contents. If you own one of the compatible Ninja blender models and need to replace your original cups, this set provides a direct and convenient solution. What people say. Works perfectly. Great solid product. Looks and works just like the original cups. My wife has the Ninja, but could not find the small blending containers to make blended drinks. These fit the unit perfectly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.